and welcome to the world in 2030.
Wow, what is this place?
This is amazing.
Wow, Foreign City waterfall. And so much green.
Cleaner skies, greener cities, accessible technology, and inclusive societies.
All made possible by the achievement of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals.
What are these goals?
Well, these goals are dreams that have created this happier and peaceful world for us and future generations to come.
They help make sure that everyone can lead a happy, healthy, and comfortable life.
Who is everyone?
Well, everyone includes people of all ages, nationalities, races, religions, ethnicities, genders, and disabilities. This means that no one is left behind.
Yes, and that includes persons with intellectual disabilities like us. Here, we can see that the Sustainable Development Goals can be achieved by working together with various governments, businesses, organizations, and individuals. We all have a part to play.
Let's look back at what we can learn from these goals. We'll be looking at 6 goals, the first being Goal 3, good health and well-being.
Everyone should be able to live healthy lives. For everyone to have good health and well-being, all persons, including persons with intellectual disabilities, should have access to quality health care and information.
Yes, that's right. For us to build healthy community, we need inclusive health screening and services provided by a health workforce that is well trained to care for persons with intellectual disabilities.
Participating in sports and fitness activities can also help us feel physically and mentally well. As Special Olympics athletes, having the equal opportunity to play and participate in inclusive sports helps us keep both our bodies and our minds strong.
The next goal, Goal 11, is about building sustainable cities and communities. This means that all of us are able to live in safe and comfortable places that have affordable housing, food, and services.
These are built together with the people. So we all have a voice in deciding how the places we live in should be like. As a result, we can have convenient transportation that can take us wherever we want to go. And everyone can enjoy public spaces like parks, playgrounds, and libraries.
My favorite space is a flower court. When all persons with or without intellectual disability can all come together to play sport.
As we bring people together to the same court, get to understand both our similarities and differences, and develop acceptance towards each other.
Our next goal is Goal 5, gender equality.
People of all genders should have equal rights and opportunities.
As a Special Olympic athlete, I have had an opportunity to develop my leadership skill. Now, women and girls with intellectual disabilities like me can speak out for ourselves and others to advocate for an inclusive world.
Next, Goal 4, quality education, and Goal 8, decent work and economic growth. Ensure that everyone has an opportunity to learn and contribute throughout our lives. We should have inclusive schools and workplaces where we are valued and accepted by our teachers, friends, and colleagues for who we are.
Everyone, no matter where they come from, how they look, or what they do, can go to school and work to equip themselves with skills to become the best version of themselves.
And take up or create the jobs of people's dreams. Every person with intellectual disability have the right to meaningful employment.
So what are we talking about these goals today? What are these so important?
Because believe it or not, in your world right now, there are still many people who find it difficult to get jobs or opportunities. Persons with intellectual disabilities are part of a minority that are given low priority for employment opportunities.
Education opportunities are a challenge for many too. About 258 million children and youth around the world do not have access to primary and secondary education, and 50% of them are persons with intellectual disability.
Having less opportunities mostly results from discrimination and exclusion. Because of these barriers, the enrollment rate of students with disabilities between preschool and secondary school drops by 52.7%.
At least 1/3 of children with disabilities are likely to not receive any early intervention services, even though they require additional learning support. For students with intellectual disabilities, they may also experience bullying in school. Excluded from quality healthcare, fitness and wellness opportunities, persons with intellectual disabilities die on average 16 years sooner than the general population.
We need to think about these disadvantages that persons with intellectual disabilities experience as we journey towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. This is so that no one is left behind. And that's why we want you to make a change for an inclusive world 2030. Inclusion is the responsibility of everyone.
How can we achieve these 70s goals? What can you do to play your part?
You can start with small actions like educating more people about these goals. Remember, the human race has no finish line.
The human race is a relay, and it takes two hands to pass the baton. It starts with small actions and includes educating your community to be compassionate and a friend.
Be kind and listen to the needs and challenges faced by those around you, including people with or without intellectual disability.
It can be as simple as lending a listening ear.
And being a friend.
Without including persons with intellectual disabilities, you would not be able to achieve the 17 Sustainable Development Goals.
We hope that everyone does a part in making our world in 2030 possible.
After all, change is the real game.